Hey guys, so I'm going to go over project number 2 in this video. You can find a module for project number 2 right above week 1, so we should be able to download a project worksheet, and I'll open that up. It's a PDF file. So this is worth 10% of your overall grade. And it's basically ancient Greco-Roman influences in the modern world. So you're going to find examples of that in your everyday life. So, the reason why we're doing this is because so much of our world today, especially in the US, can be tracked back to the legacy of the ancient Romans and Greeks. So I'd like you to find 3 examples of art. This can be any piece of art. It could be utilitarian, such as a mug or a plate. It can be architecture, something in your everyday life that is, influenced from ancient Greece or Rome. And you'll write about each example. So you'll find 3. And this requires that you pay attention to the various buildings and objects around you. You may find remnants of ancient Greece or Rome in many of the buildings of your town. That's one that I get a lot. You also might find some pottery, statuary, painting, roads, bridges, things like that. So make sure the objects and examples you choose are definitely local to your area. It shouldn't be too hard for you to find 3 examples of Greco-Roman influence in your everyday life. Just don't pull examples from the internet. You want to find local examples. So once you've found 3 local examples of Greco-Roman influence in your everyday life, you need to write at least 3 paragraphs, one about each example. 8 sentences for each paragraph, please. Let's not keep it short. We want to kind of go a little bit longer with this. The longer you go, the more detail you go into in each example. Obviously, the better grade you'll get. Explain where you found the example, why you believe it is part of the legacy and influence of the ancient Greeks or Romans. Describe the object in detail. Tell me what features, mediums, or stylistic choices are derived from ancient Greece or Rome. And definitely try to tell me what your example might have looked like in its original state without the modern materials or stylistic changes that have been made to it. And then also just tell me about how that object has changed since ancient times, what modern features have been added, what features have been removed over time, and explain to me why you think that is. And then elaborate on why you think each example has been able to last through the ages into modern times. Include pictures of all 3 of your examples. Take your own pictures, don't pull them from the internet, please. You can insert them into your document or submit them as separate files in the Brightspace assignment upload area. You can use any word processor of your choice. You can give me a Word doc or a PDF file for the grade. I do use a special software that marks plagiarism, so make sure you write this in your own words. And that's project number 2 in a nutshell. So hopefully that is making sense for you guys. Okay, talk to you later.